Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the minimum: a code editor and a browser. Create index, HTML and styles, CSS in the same folder, and link the style sheet in the head. Once done, add a responsive viewport meta tag and a simple container div for the form. You will place accessible labels and inputs next. Make sure to choose semantic elements: form, label, input button. This first step sets structure and accessibility, so subsequent styling and scripting behave predictably. Now build the core markup and explain each choice. Use a form with method post to mirror real submission, then include label input pairs for email and password so screen readers can follow. Add required attributes to enforce basic validation without JavaScript. Insert a Remember Me checkbox and a clear submit button. Add area described B where errors will appear. Once the markup is solid, apply a class-based grid or flexbox layout in CSS to center and space elements for a clean, scalable design. Finish by styling and adding simple JavaScript. Use flexbox to center the form and set max width so it looks good on phones. Style focus states and error colors for clarity. Then add a small script that prevents default submission during testing, validates email format and password length, and displays error text in the area described B region. If something fails, inspect console for script errors. Ensure your script tag loads after the DOM or uses DOM content loaded. And
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.